Hello, fellow traders. So, yesterday we had a target. This week we have a target. Probably will be the lowest. And yesterday we closed above the last time, which was the Friday the 6th. And then you notice we failed to take out the bear weekly reversal at 1305. So, today you might see maybe just a little bit move down because yesterday we didn't, take down, but maybe small up. Um, but I think it's a good time to get in. Um, and yeah, probably it's gonna be just today, tomorrow, be a few reaction, but this is looking to move up pretty high. I believe. Actually, I'm not gonna give you the weekly reversal on the high up because I want to give that to the private subscribers. Take care and good luck.